Investing can seem overwhelming at first, but with the right guidance and a clear approach, anyone can start building wealth and securing their financial future. Whether you're just beginning your journey or looking to refine your strategy, understanding the basics is crucial. In this step-by-step guide, we'll break down investing into manageable parts, helping you make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. The first step is understanding what investing truly means. At its core, investing is the act of putting your money to work, aiming to grow it over time. Unlike saving, which focuses on preserving funds, investing involves some level of risk in exchange for the potential of higher returns. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. Each type of investment carries its own risk and reward profile, so it's important to know your options. Before you invest a single dollar, it's essential to set clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a house, your children's education, or simply hoping to grow your wealth? Defining your goals will shape your investment strategy. Consider your time horizon, the length of time you plan to invest, because the longer you can leave your money in the market, the more you can benefit from compounding returns. Once you've set goals, take an honest look at your personal finances. Make sure you have an emergency fund, typically 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, in a readily accessible account. This safety net protects you from having to sell investments during market downturns. Also, pay down high-interest debt before investing, as the interest on these debts usually outweighs potential investment gains. With your foundation in place, it's time to learn about different investment vehicles. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer potential for high returns, but also higher risk. Bonds are loans you make to corporations or governments, paying you interest over time with generally lower risk. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified mix of stocks and bonds, making them ideal for beginners. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, work similarly but trade like stocks. Real estate is another option, offering tangible assets and income potential. Learn how each works, and consider starting with mutual funds or ETFs, since they offer instant diversification. Next, decide how much risk you're comfortable taking. Risk tolerance is personal. It depends on your age, financial situation, and temperament. Younger investors can often afford to take more risks because they have time to recover from market downturns. If market swings make you nervous, consider a more conservative portfolio with a higher percentage of bonds. Choosing where to invest is your next step. Most beginners open accounts with online brokerages, which make buying and selling investments easy. Compare platforms based on fees, ease of use, and available resources. Many brokerages offer educational materials, calculators, and even robo-advisors, automated services that build and manage a portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. When you're ready to invest, start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Some platforms allow you to invest with as little as a few dollars. Make regular contributions, even if they're modest. Consistency is more important than trying to time the market. Consider dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount at regular intervals. This strategy helps reduce the impact of market volatility and builds your portfolio over time. Finally, monitor your investments and review your strategy annually. Rebalance your portfolio if it drifts from your target allocation and adjust your goals as your life changes. Don't panic during market downturns. Investing is a long-term journey, and staying disciplined is key. Educate yourself continuously, seek advice when needed, and remember that building wealth takes time and patience. By following these steps, beginners can start investing with confidence, laying the groundwork for a stronger financial future. The journey may have its ups and downs, but with a thoughtful approach and steady commitment, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Wealthtricks for quick, practical money tips that actually work. See you in the next one.